Hey nerds! I'm outside of the psychology complex again. Today we're gonna attend the signal, sensor, and sound coding workshop together. Let's go! Hey Cindy!
Hi, are you here for the signal, sensor, and sound coding workshop?
Yes!
Great, follow me to the live lab. Live lab. So here's a flute now it's heat in hot colors rather than black white. So you hear that it's in ascending scale and you could see that go up, right? What's different about this?
It's a lot longer.
There's more power across multiple frequencies, right? That's these onsets are, that's why they sound more percussive, basically. So we would do a drum machine. So drums are always going to be this, like, lots of noise across the spectrum. Like any sound that's sort of, that's a lot of power across multiple frequencies. That's how you get that noisiness. What we can do is, at least I can show you, like, here's what my voice looks like coming through the microphone in real time. That's cool, right? Do another slide. So love slides across the spectrum. Yeah. We don't have to scream, we have slides going on. So actually that's a good question. So speaking in a different language, should that change the spectrum?
我而家講緊廣東話，我在講普通話。今日本語喋ってます。
Awesome. Now speak in English again.
Okay, so in English it looks somewhat like this. Okay. I don't know what else to say.
And for everyone, we're just going to hit play on the second cell as well. We're just going to import some files that we'll be working with and import all of the libraries that we'll use as well. Boundaries, instrument entries where the song is getting louder or where it's quieting down. Frequency ranges, like drums would typically be in that very lowest frequency band down here, whereas you might expect synth or keyboards in a little bit of a higher range. Or for vocals, you can see that these are like even higher and they have a very clear like harmonic pattern of like lying in different frequency bands here, right? Actually, I could give you a little insight of this field that I just gave you, Josh, on why am I interested in source separation. Rather than getting performers into the studio and laboriously recording them for hours, we wanted to do this large scale. So what we did was we downloaded all of their music that they have played in their trios from YouTube and then used that source separation to get the individual trio stems. So in our case it was drums, bass, and piano. And using those individual stems, we could then extract the timings of each instrument. So for example, for a piano, that would be each key, like the timing of each keystroke, whereas for a drum, that would be the timing of each. I think we focused on the hi-hat, which is normally like the timekeeping element in jazz, and then for the bass, it would be each pluck of the strings.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yeah, so on the y-axis here we have heart rate, which is beats per minute. So this is kind of like an average of all of those PPG peaks that we're looking at over 1 minute. So this is just counting, like here it's counting 86 for a minute.
That's you! That's your hand!
So you're recording your own vision, which is like because with that
Look around.
that way you can actually get to the actors. Yeah, the network is a bit
So you see the frames are speeding up sometimes.
You want to tell us what you're looking at?
What you can also do is
And then you're gonna go to this
frame in phase.
neon app.
Yeah.
Okay, and now.
You can remove that by swiping up. No,
Whoa!
yeah.
That's what you're
I
looking.
just
Those are
swipe
your
up.
eyes.
Yeah, because it gets into like the loop that we updated.
Oh,
In
which
the bottom
means that
right,
the
you see a camera,
camera
like a video camera, bottom right. Yeah. If you click on that,
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wait, whoa!
We're very pitching.
the glass is
It's infinite. It's actually it's infinite. It's infinite.
It's an infinite loop. Yeah.
Can I take a photo of this?